Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make an omelette Kashmir, a delightful and spicy dish. First, let's gather our basic ingredients. You will need about 2 to 4 fresh eggs, depending on how many servings you desire. Next, finely chop 1 small onion and 1 small tomato. These add a wonderful texture and sweetness. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of vibrant Kashmiri red chili powder ready for that authentic color and mild heat. Now, let's create the flavorful spice blend for our omelette. In a bowl, whisk your eggs thoroughly. Then, incorporate 1 full teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, which is key for both taste and appearance. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder and half a teaspoon of black pepper for a warm, aromatic kick. Season with salt to your preference, and for an extra layer of traditional flavor, consider adding a 1/4 teaspoon of dry mint powder. It's time to cook our delicious omelette. Begin by heating about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan over medium heat until it just starts to smoke slightly. This ensures the oil is perfectly tempered. Carefully pour the prepared egg mixture into the hot pan, spreading it out evenly to form a nice, round omelette. Cook on a low to medium flame for approximately 1 to 2 minutes on each side until it's golden brown and set. Your Kashmiri omelette is almost ready. Make sure it is cooked through and beautifully browned on both sides, indicating a perfect texture. For easier handling and serving, you can optionally cut the omelette into 2 halves right in the pan before flipping. Transfer the warm, aromatic omelette to a plate. In Kashmir, this spicy and flavorful dish is traditionally enjoyed immediately, often paired with a comforting serving of hot steamed rice. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.